Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to use camera raw filter in Photoshop, especially for beginners. So let's start our video. And before starting this video, as I said to everyone, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Mera Baba. Now, first of all, I have this image. Now, what I'll do, just take this image, select this image here, and after that, just go to this filter option and come to this option. If you see here, now this is this, but in default might be it will be here, right? So it's a default setting. I have used it, so it's come in the top. So basically I take this. Okay, after this tab will open. So click this arrow. Okay, if you click this now, if I click this, so it getting smaller, but if you click this, it will be bigger. Okay, so it will be a full screen. So what is camera filter? Basically camera filter is basically a type of tool or a plugin which we can do individual color correction or CC in our, I mean CC means, I mean color correction or color grading. Okay, part by part in depth wise actually. Okay, because in this plugin we get too many color presets and settings. Okay, so it's very helpful. Okay, and most professional guys are use this plugin. Actually it's an inbuilt plugin only. So how to use? First of all, this is our tool. It is called edit tool. All the tools, I mean all the things are getting in these properties. Okay, in details. See, so this is your spot removal. So what is this? If I click this here, now for example I want to remove this stand. If I click here, left click, see it's gone. Now of this overlay option, and after this I'm clicking it here, see it's removing, right? See, all the spot I can remove. See, so you guys can control more is this. Okay, see all the spots are removing, right? If I want to remove this, I can try it. See, it's removing, right? It will remove fully, right? So I can remove this fully. Okay, but I have to experiment with this. Okay, now there is a called adjustment tool. Now here, if you click this, so what it does, for example if I want to just color get this area, so I will, this is the size of the brush. Okay, you can control here. So I will click here, or I can drag here from this to this. Okay, see, now if I increase exposure, it will only adjust in this area, kind of masking tool, right? See, now this is a gradient, same type of tool. It's a do a gradient like alpha. If I want to this side and go by smoother here, or I want to this side, so I will click this here, or I can click this here. See, so any kind of thing you guys can do here, right? And I can control this, right? See, right, this is a radial filter, same kind of thing, but it's taking a radial tool. Okay, if I don't need this, just control set to undo. I can use it here, brush tool, right? Now this is a red eye tool. Red eye tool basically does, it's take a image and basically it's take a black and white image. Okay, so don't need to use this now. This is a preset tool. Now this is the most good tool. Okay, some guys might be know, some most of the guys don't know this. Okay, so if you click this, I hope many guys know, or some guys might be know, but I am showing you whatever. So if you click this, there is too much LUTs or plugins, presets actually. How to use it? If I on this first one, see when I just taking the mouse point any tool, it giving automatic color grading. See, type of LUTs, right? See, this yellow, orange. Okay, isn't it great? So if I click this red or yellow or orange, see, giving too much, right? Isn't it red, right? So I'm click this yellow, or I don't need this for now. Okay, so click some kind like this. See, now I'm clicking this. Okay, and after this there is a called most setting tool. If I click this, you guys can set this preset, save setting, load setting. Okay, just take this, all this thing I'm not showing this. So I'm getting this tool. Okay, now if I just do some manual adjustment like exposure, if I down, some temperature if I want. Okay, tint if I want, little bit, contrast, okay, little bit, and highlights maybe little bit down, shadows I gonna lift it. Okay, blacks might be down. Okay, sorry, whites might be up and blacks might be down. After this I don't need this. Okay, you guys can check like curve tool is also there. You can play, you guys know how to use curve, just hold this and click the dot. Okay, particular channel by channel you can guys can do. This is a red channel. Okay, this is a green channel, right? And this is our blue channel. How it's cool, right? Now in details there is too much option, right? Sharpening, noise reduction. If I want to do some sharpening, I can do. Okay, see, and many more option you guys can check. So now after this, I'll go to OK. Just hit this OK option, and for zoom in zoom out you guys can just plus minus. Okay, control plus minus and click control plus minus in your keyboard. Okay, hold page bar for pen. Now I will click this OK, and after this it will change. See, now it is loading. See, it's changed, right? So this is a very good plugin for color grading in Photoshop or CC in Photoshop. Okay, you guys can use this plugin. It's an inbuilt plugin. So if you guys like this video, if you guys like this video, please share this video to with others and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. As I say to everyone, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Ram.